Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into common challenges entrepreneurs face and how to overcome them using ABS Affiliate Business System. Let's get started. Creating a professional website and finding a profitable niche can be one of the biggest obstacles for new entrepreneurs. It can be daunting and overwhelming, especially if you are not tech-savvy and have many options available when creating your website. Offering practical knowledge and inspiring success with proven strategies, Vic delivers the ABS Affiliate Business System to you.
Welcome to Affiliate Business System. My friend, I am very excited for you. Congratulations for getting here. I've been waiting for you. We have been waiting for you right here, and you have now joined the ranks of the most successful entrepreneurs on the planet. Welcome to the team. My name is Vic Stryzius. As we will get to know each other if we haven't met already, you and I will become best friends. Hopefully, that's my intention. You know why? Because if I help you make money, we are going to be the best friends, right? We're going to be besties for the rest of our entrepreneurial career. And so that's the intention. And we're going to have a lot of fun here. This is not a course. This is not a theoretical thing that you have purchased. There is plenty of courses you have probably bought in the past that may or may not have given you the results you were looking for. There's probably a whole bunch of events you went through, maybe different masterminds you have joined. You have spent a lot of money, maybe not. I don't know your story. But if you're like most people, people buy courses and they get more information, they get more education. But at the end of the day, when it comes to really what really matters in business, which is money in your bank account, most people have nothing to show for. And we're about to change that for you here. That's the intention of this system. That's why it's not a course. It is a system. My promise to you is that over the next 7 days, you will launch your own highly profitable, highly successful affiliate marketing business in the next 7 days or less. Okay, so we're going to get into this. We've got 7 days. We've got 7 days to build your business and to launch it together. And we're going to do it guaranteed. I need you to trust the process. I need you to go full out. I need you to completely suspend your disbelief. I need you to be prepared to build your future. That will be the most amazing you have ever dreamed about. This is a revolutionary technology I'm going to get you set up with. It will allow you to have your business. You will be able to run it. You will be able to scale it to unlimited potential. Unlimited. And I'll see you there.
Join our community now. Click on the reference link in this video or search for ELM Global Community in your browser. Join us today and start your journey towards a thriving online business.